This is C60, or you can say Buckminster Fullerene, which we have studied in class 10th and in chapter 4 organic chemistry, and I'll be using two of my most prominent skills combined to make this particular wonder which you have just seen. And I have written this code in my IDE, which is namely Visual Code Studio, and then I will just simply copy it and accordingly place it in the script section on the pad which they will be displaying. I'll be just simply pasting it, and then you can see the magic. So here's the final render. As you can see, the wonderful structure of this particular thing, and thank you for watching.